M&M cold calling be like? So yeah, tell me about your experience and what you're looking for. I'd really be interested to know how I could help you. So I'm a single mom. I have three kids, and I'm working 40 hours a week, and it's just too much. I want something different, something where preferably I could work from home. I could work out on my own terms, have my own schedule, be able to just spend a couple minutes on the computer per day, click a few buttons, and then just hopefully uh, you know just make ends meet. Hmm. Hmm. Yeah, I hear you. Yeah, I know it's tough out there. The 9 to 5 jobs and all this stuff, and it's just like. But what's really great is we actually have a really great opportunity for you. And the nice thing about this is you could work on your own terms. You could work wherever and whenever you want. It's pretty simple to do. A lot of people are able to get up and running very quickly, and it's great because you could just work on your own terms and just kind of work behind the computer, work in your PJs. It's awesome. I mean, me and my wife do this. We've been doing this for a couple of years now. We actually live here in Costa Rica. It's an amazing opportunity. Wow, that sounds wonderful. Yeah, I would absolutely love to get started with this. This sounds amazing. This sounds like the thing that I've been looking for, and I'm just so ready to get started. I'm ready for a change. Yeah, so how could I get started? Nice, that's awesome to hear. Yeah, so I'll kind of run down the different packages, right? So there's the 100 package, there's the 200 package, the 300 package, the 400 package, and the 500 package. Now each package gives you more stuff than the previous package. Which one would you like to get started with? Let's see. I'll probably start with the 100 package for now. I think that would be good for me. Okay. Yeah, I'll definitely send you over the link, and I'll when you get started, I'll be sure to, of course, help you get up and running, and we will, of course, have our first official team call. All right, everyone, welcome to our new team call. I just want to give a quick moment to, of course, welcome all of our new members. So, welcome Lindsay, welcome Sam, welcome Ashley. Welcome to the program. It's great to have you here. We're looking forward to help you get up and running, and I want to give you a rundown on exactly what you must do to really maximize your results with this. Okay, so here's what you need to do. You need to contact at least 50 people per day. You need to reach out to all your friends and family. You need to bombard strangers. You need to go to your neighbor's house, bombard all your coworkers, and get them to try and buy into the business. Now, if you're not one to do this, then you're not going to have success. I just need to be straight up. You need to put in the work. You need to, of course, be consistent. This isn't about just putting in clicking a few buttons per day and then just getting all these getting all these results. You need to be consistent. Hey, my friend, hope you enjoyed that little skit there. If you want something that is much more newbie friendly, where you can get up and running and, of course, get into results without having to spend hours on the phone, visit the link on my bio. And if you have any questions, be sure to put them in the comments right here. Take care.